Welcome back to Grandma Cat's Corner. This is season 3, episode 8. In every day, there are 1,440 minutes. That means we have 1,440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. Today, I will not be overwhelmed by panic. Panic will take my mind off my goal. It's normal to feel panic, but I simply feel it and let it go. I can get back on track by treading water until I regain my composure. I relax and know that all is well. The message from Grandma Cat today is you can stop panic and keep it from happening again. First, understand the process that leads to panic. Second, stop the process before panic can start. Dealing with panic attacks can be scary and frustrating, no matter how few or many attacks you've had. Panic attacks are highly manageable. But if you got a situation that you know sends you into a panic attack, then my thing is avoid those situations, or you find a way to deal with those situations. Go to God, ask Him for some assistance. Today is Friday, November 22nd, and God is saying to you today, remember these 4 things. I will make a way for you. I'm fighting your battles. I will provide for you. Trust my timing. You guys have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.